Now, it's a handheld scrubber, and John Yiser is here with the Teko Cordless electric handheld scrubber that comes along with a gift box. Now, the gift box is nice because it's storage or can be a gift box for whatever you want it to be. But this gets into tight spaces, into areas that you would probably never be able to clean with a regular brush or sponge, and allows you to really get after the dirt where it's hiding, yes?
Exactly. One of the goals, like right here, we can see getting into that boss. If we all have those drinking water bottles that we all love right now, trying to clean inside those is really hard. But now with the Teko scrubber, it has a silicone brush that allows you to get down inside there. So anywhere from a bottle brush all the way to the kitchen sink to the wheels on your car, it makes scrubbing easy. Now, one of the things we want to do at Teko is to make cleaning easy so that you're doing less work. So by simply pushing a button, we now have a scrubber that's going to do the work for us. Now, if you take a look, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to use my favorite cleaner. And so I just you can either put it on the brush itself or you can spray it on the surface. But if you happen to have, for example, in your shower, tile floors or anything like that, this is great for cleaning into the grout areas because you can see the brush just digging down. Now I'm gonna turn the speeds up here while we're cleaning this so you can see. So I'm gonna start at the basic. Now here it's gonna start off at high speed. Okay, now I'm gonna maybe go down to low. Now low gets me the ability to get right around those corners and everything without it taking off on me. And then take a look what happens when we do it clean up. Now let it do the work for us. It's cleaning 10 times faster than you can do by hand. Watch what happens when you take a towel and you see what it did, and take a look at it actually does and cleans up that surface so you don't have to do all the scrubbing.
Now, it is important to know that all of this comes together for you in a choice of colors. We have this for you in the sky, which is here. This is the sky color. We also have it in the cobalt, which I believe you have over next to you.
Correct.
Thank you. There's the cobalt. We also have graphite, which you're holding in your hand.
Exactly.
That's the closest color I have to black. It's more of a gray. And then we have a color called grapefruit.
Correct.
And I believe that one's on QVC.com. I believe it's on QVC.com. We'll take a look. There it is. There's our grapefruit. So you choose a color because it makes you smile. They all do exactly the same job.
Yes. Now, I mentioned as far as cleaning things, we have all the brushes we have on here are designed to clean different areas, hard to get areas. Now, right here, I'm just going to show you the bottle brush. Now, the reason why you're going to love this, take a look at actually contours around the surfaces. Okay, and what it's going to do is get around in all those areas that you can't even get your hands down into or to be able to clean.
I would never be able to get into that jar
Exactly.
and clean. You know what the difference between a vase and a vase is?
No.
$50. Anything under 50
was.
is a vase. Anything over 50 is a vase.
That's pretty funny.
All right. Now, here are those drinking bottles you talk about.
Now, what I want to show everyone is the low speed. A lot of scrubbers you're going to see out there, they're out there and they spin super fast. Ours spins fast too, but we can turn it down. Watch this. Here's high speed. Okay, now we're going to go to medium and low. Now, why low? If you try and put something high speed into a bottle like this, it's hard to do. It's going to take off. It's hard to control with your hands. We have a high torque, low speed motor that allows you to be able to get into those nooks and crannies without it taking off on you. So this allows you to get into the drinking water bottles, clean those areas where if you had any idea what was inside those bottles, if you don't clean them, you wouldn't want to drink out of them. So let's get them clean. And you can actually work all around those surfaces. Now, not only can you do the bottles, but we wanted to be able to make sure you can clean everything around your house. For example, pots and pans, getting onto all those hard areas. Now, the brushes just snap on like this. So you just locate the key on there, you push it together, and the new brush will snap on. I like using, you can use water or your favorite cleaner, okay? And right now I've got the angle brush on here. The angle brush works great for nooks and crannies. So if I want to get right in down here, I can get all of that grime and grease out here, and I'm going to get into this nooks and crannies up here around the edge that are kind of hard to get to. Let the brush and the scrubbing power of it do the work for me so I don't have to do it. And then if you just take a towel and clean it up like this, you can take and see actually what it did by actually scrubbing away that grime.
All the mess is gone.
Correct.
And maybe that's something you let soak, and then you need to scrub it. Why use old-fashioned elbow grease when you don't have to?
Correct.
Now, this is a rechargeable unit, yes?
It is recharged, and this one lasts for over an hour on a charge, which is pretty amazing to be able to actually get that much power out of it. Now, as you can see again, I've got the angled brush on here. This is like a conical brush. What I love about this is it gets down into the grout lines right here. So as you can see, we're getting into all that grime in the grout lines, and we're actually cleaning the tile. Great for showers, around kitchen sinks, everything like that. Now, once you've got that clean, let's take a look at what we're able to do, and look at the grout just goes perfectly white, and that's because it's actually scrubbing deep down into the grout.
We've got a lot of people in our chat, and Joseph has asked for a shout out from Illinois. So Joseph, hello. Shout out, I hope you're listening. All right, now, it's important to know all of this comes at a really low clearance price. Now, that's a good news, bad news story. The good news is you've got a top shelf item at a low rock bottom price.
Yes.
The bad news is once it's gone for good because we can't get a reorder. So it's important for you to go ahead and get your Teko Cordless electric handheld scrubber now, pay the lower price, get the great easy pay, and more importantly, get the great cleaning.
Exactly. And again, in those tight areas. Now, scrubbing brushes, we've seen them around for years. What we've done is we've made one that works in the hard to get areas. So the benefit of the Teko scrubber is several. One, high, low, medium power. Now the low power right here, as we turn the power down, you can see it spinning slower and slower. And what that does, that allows you to work all around those nooks and crannies. If this is running at super high speed, what it does, the bottle will fly off and it's literally hard to control.
Oh yeah.
But with the slow speed, you can work around all those nooks and crannies.
Baby bottles?
Exactly.
Things where you got solutions that curdle.
Exactly.
Like milk and formula.
Exactly.
Ugh. Tastes good going down. 4 weeks later, it smells bad if it's out in the bottle somewhere. So this is why something like this becomes so very important. You can clean the dirt you can see and also clean the dirt you can't see. John Yasser, what a pleasure to have you back with us, sir. Nice to have you in the studio.
Thank you.
And this is V83329. Now, we've got about 8 minutes until, or about 7.5 minutes until the end of the show. Let me give some quick shout outs to everyone who is watching. Mary